Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to save the tires on your truck or your car, how to make them last longer in the front end. The first thing you need to do is get the car rolling a little bit before you start to turn the actual vehicle, okay? It's very simple. Very simple. That way you're not grinding the meat off the tires as you're staying still. If you go just a little bit, like 2 miles, 3 miles an hour, just get going a little bit first. Doesn't have to be 100 feet, just get going, then turn the wheel as you're going. I'm going to show you like the next spot right here. Okay, we're going to take a left-hand turn from a stop. The wheel is still straight. This is a stop. Next, you just get the car rolling a little bit and turn the wheel as the car is moving. I promise you, it sounds silly, but I promise you will save a lot of meat off your tires. And the tires will last you a lot longer if you just do that trick everywhere you go. Even in a parking spot, just get it going, back it up, or whatever you're doing, and turn the wheel as the vehicle is moving. Never turn the wheel as the vehicle is at a stop. Okay, the same thing with semi trucks. They teach you that sometimes when you get your CDL Class A, because those big tires are expensive, and if you rip off all that meat like that, you're going to be paying near $800 a tire easy.